And are you filming? I'm filming all the time, so yes. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today we're talking about lips. I mean, come on, look at these things, they're blinded. So I'm still working with some of my new purchases and I'm not exactly sure how I feel about this, but I really like the stuff that I got. I mean, the biggest thing that I don't know, it's not the best on my lips, is Drug Lord. But since it's completely safe for the entire face, including the eyes, I can use this as a liner. I can use it as a base coat. I can use it for, you know, doing designs. So there's a lot of different uses that I can use Drug Lord for. But that was one of my purchases. I also wanted a nice bright red liquid lip. And so I got the Shane Dawson Are You Filming? Because like I'm filming all the time. So yes. Okay, I know I'm being like really stupidly nerdy. And then I got 4 lip liners when he just did the launch just a few days ago. A few days, like a week ago. 2 weeks? How long has it been? I'm not sure. I got Breakfast at Tiffany's, that's what I'm wearing right now with Drug Lord, and then to top it off I used Heaven's Gate, which I purchased a while ago. And then I also got Christmas Cookie, which will be fun. At the end I will show you all the different lips right on the screen, you know. And then I also got Dominatrix. My mom has the liquid lip, so this is going to be shared between the two of us. And then I got Weirdo. I'm like covering the side that shows you the color. Yes, this one is Weirdo. I absolutely love the packaging on these guys. It feels nice on the lip. The thing that I've noticed with Freestar's lip products, you really do need a gloss so that it feels soft on your lips. If you don't use a gloss, it really dries out. And that's perfectly fine. I actually really love Jeffree Star's lip glosses. I love the formula. It's so smoothing. It feels fabulous. The only thing is that if you use it on a lot of other, you know, regular lipsticks, it comes off on the diphthong when you're putting it on. So you lose a little bit of the lipstick and then you have different colors going on your gloss. So with his liquid lips, you know, any of the ones, this is absolutely gorgeous with Heaven's Gate. Oh my goodness, I'm showing you right now. But with any of the liquid lip, it dries out enough that when you use the gloss, it doesn't come off on the applicator, which is fantastic. So those are the lip products. I really like them, and here is a quick show of each set and I'll tell you what I'm using on my lips. So we're going to be starting with the Velour lip liner in the color Weirdo. This goes on really nicely. It feels very good. And then I'm going to add the Velour liquid lip in the color Drug Lord. It's a beautiful combination and I really like how this turned out. Basically, this is the cremated lip look that he did for his campaign for the palette and everything. I really like how the lip liner just meshes so well with Drug Lord. It didn't seem to do that with Breakfast at Tiffany's, but maybe I just need to work with it a little bit more. I really love this look and I love this lip. And now I'm adding the gloss Heaven's Gate and it just really makes this lip shine so beautifully. It's an incredible combination that I'm definitely going to redo time and time again. And now we have a beautiful combination of the Velour lip liner in the color Christmas Cookie. I put this both underneath and on top of the Velour liquid lip mannequin. It blends very well together, and then I used the Jeffree Star Morphe Topper First Impressions. It's a very clear, simple gloss that really makes this lip shine very, very nicely. This next one I really, really love. This is Dominatrix as the Velour lip liner, mannequin as the Velour liquid lip, and then I used First Impressions again as the lip gloss topper, and I think this just turned out really, really beautifully. I think this look is just so dreamy and perfect. And now we have the beautiful liquid lip in the color Are You Filming from the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collaboration, the Conspiracy collection. Absolutely beautiful, and if I'm not wrong, I believe it's a recent addition to the collection. And using Heaven's Gate as the gloss on top just really shines and brightens this beautiful red lip. Alrighty everybody, I know this is a really short video, and I am going to do a separate short little video just on the Velour lip scrub from Jeffree Star because this is so yummy. And that's all I'm going to say at this point, and that's probably all I'm going to say in that video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye! You need to have... Can I talk? Maybe.